My name is Eric Chia. I am in football, baseball, and basketball. I do Boy Scouts, and I go to Tafoya Elementary, and I am in 6th grade, and I am a GATE student. Canine protection dogs are trained to take down bad guys. They are used by law enforcement, the military, and even private citizens for protection. Nightmare is only 1 year old, and this is the beginning of her training, and these are her first steps. Nightmare and I are a great team, and I can't wait to get her through all the different levels in her training to be an accomplished protection dog. It takes a lot of dedication and many years to have a fully trained dog. I train at NorCal Canine. I go to training on the weekends. I go down to Brentwood Oakley, and every Tuesday I bring my dog Gunther and Nightmare to Woodland, California, and we train there. And the decoys are really good. I've learned a lot from the decoys and the club in general. NorCal Canine, they keep it safe when it comes to the dogs and stuff. They also keep the dogs happy. They're never mean to the dogs. They're always like super nice to them because they don't want the dogs to think negative about them, because they want the dogs to still care for them even when they're out of the arena. It's really expensive, and well, I'm 11. I don't exactly have a car or a job, so. Nightmare, sit. Good girl. Nightmare, down. Nightmare, do my homework. I really appreciate your donations. Every little bit could help. Why do dogs run in circles? Because it's too hard to run in squares. 2. My dog is Nightmare, so bad guy beware. You come after me and she'll bite you there. And when she's done, she sits in a chair.